Hey, what's up guys? On this one, so I want to show you guys how you can actually buy some NFTs on Binance. So there are just few things you just actually need to have in order for you to have some Binance. There's a link on the description of this video so that you can actually sign up for Binance, so that you can actually get the correct website, so that you don't actually sign up onto some bankers website that are out there which you can actually just scam you guys. So make sure you go onto the description so that you can actually sign up for Binance. Once you sign up, you're actually going to come onto here, and then you can actually see this here. So I'm just going to click onto it, as you can actually see here. So you're actually going to do all your verifications and everything like that, so that you can actually get in. So this is a centralized exchange, not a decentralized exchange. You don't actually need to connect your MetaMask or your other wallet like on OpenSea and all of that. And this one, you just need this exchange in order for you to be able to trade some NFTs. So as you can actually see, it's a new thing that they actually just added in just few months. This was just added so that you can actually buy some NFTs. So we're just going to go on to it here, and then we get inside so that you can actually understand how you can actually buy those NFTs, and then you can actually sell them. So we're actually just gonna wait for it to load up, and then we can actually just get into it, and then you can actually see how easy it is for you to can actually just look up for NFTs and buy them. So it's actually just going to be an easy process for you to, but for now you don't actually get to post your own NFTs. I mean, everyone here is verified and a little bit checked out. So most of the NFTs in here, they are very safe, so you can actually be risk free. So everyone have to submit a lot of documentation in order for them to create NFTs into Binance. So it's a very safe space, other than the other places like Rarible and the OpenSea. I mean, everyone can just post NFTs on those sites without being able to be verified. I mean, anyone can just create NFTs in there, but here, in order for you to create your own NFTs, you have to be verified so that they can know that you are a creator and you actually very profitable, and you actually own some stuff, so that you can actually just you do not just create some NFTs that are not actually great for people to actually buy. So you actually get into here. So there is some gaming, there is some marketplace, there's mixed 3 boxes, and then so you can actually just search whatever you want here. So we're actually going to start with the marketplace. So once you actually get onto the marketplace, so you can actually look into here, and then you can actually just see which ones you actually want to buy. So we're just going to wait for it to load up here, and then we can actually see which ones are actually the great NFTs which you can actually buy. I mean, there's some mystery boxes here. So the mystery boxes, they're very, very complex, guys. So you can actually buy unopened ones, or you can actually buy the ones that are opened. So let's look into here, guys. So these are the top sales one, these are the top collections, these are the top creators. You can actually see these guys here, they are the most top creators. So this is the one that the first and the third person. You can actually look for these people in order for you to actually see what they actually create. You can follow them, you can actually see what they're actually gonna come up with, so that you can actually be one of those. They can actually see what they create, so that you can actually get in first, and then you can actually be one of those who will be able to profit if you are an NFT flipper, guys. So you can actually see here, these are the top ones, so you can just filter them up. So just gonna click on to filter here, so you can actually see here if you want to flip them up. So you can flip them up, the ones with an Ethereum or BUSD. So you can see these are the auction ones, so fixed the price. So you can just actually, okay, so as you can actually see here, this is the category, right? So there's art, there's sports, there's entertainment, there's gaming, there's collectibles, there's the esport, NFT for good, and then there's some premium ones. So we're just going to click on collectibles, right? And then we can actually see here, we'll click on to image, and then we're actually gonna come up into here, and then we'll do fixed price, and then we can actually see here, we can let's just put in some BUSD, and then we can look into the price here. So let's see 0 just to see what is actually going to come out with that. Probably not too much. Alright, so let's actually look. I just wanted to show you guys some easy stuff which you can actually just see when you actually, because I mean you can just buy this stuff with, so as you can actually see here, this one is 10 BUSD, and then you can actually see these ones. A lot of NFTs here. So we can just actually come here and actually be able to buy. So we're just going to click to this one so that we can see how we can actually buy this one, right? This one here. So we actually just going to click onto it, and then we can be able to buy it. So I'm just actually going to show you how you can actually just buy this. It's actually a very quick thing to do, and then once you buy it, it's actually going to be stored onto your wallet somewhere into there. So you can just come here and then just sell it whenever you want. So this is a contract, this is a token right here. I hope you already know how to actually do the background check onto this stuff. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe so that I can actually just show you a video for that, so that you can actually be able to see which ones you can actually buy. And all right. So this one is just this price, 10 BUSD right here. Alright, so it's that easy, guys. So you can just go on and buy, just pay BUSD. So this is around 151 rand if you're in SA. So this is very cheap, guys, for you too. So that's how you can actually just buy some NFTs, and it's as easy as that. Just go on, just click onto it, and then you go on, and then you'll be able to buy, because you can actually see how much it is. You can do the filtering and you see how much you want to spend, so that you can actually look into these and be able to buy them. So all right. So I'm just gonna clear all this filter I did, and then I'm actually going to show you the mystery boxes. So the mystery boxes are very tricky, guys. I mean, you can actually buy something that is very not nice, but it's very nice to just buy it before anyone can see what they are, and then once you buy them, and then the price can go up for you, or the price can just go right down. It's like a gamble, guys. You just buy something, you don't know what it is inside, if people gonna like it or not. And because I mean, everyone they just buy it so that they can just wait so for someone to like them, and then they can actually just sell it to some people. So here are some mystery boxes here. So you can actually just, because you can actually see this one, yeah, has about 11 hours for it, but you can actually see 29p USD. These are actually not cheap, as you can actually see here, but you can actually buy it and then hold it so that you can just sell it if you want, or you can just hold it as long as you want, guys. So these are very nice. These are very nice. So as you can actually see, and this one is 1 ETH, which is about 43,000. It's actually really, I mean, this is platinum, this is silver. I don't know the difference, as you can actually see here. This one is very cheap to this one. I mean, you may not know the difference when it comes to this stuff. Look at this one and look at this one. So you can actually just buy one and you hold and just hope that it's going to be worth you a while, guys, when it's actually coming up. Sam's basketball journey, I mean, that's something else right there. So here are the mixed reads. So Rama Meta Forest Mining Farm 2. So you can just buy these and then alright guys. So I mean, that's it for now, guys. So I'm actually going to go deeper into NFTs so that you can actually learn more of this. So as I'm actually still doing a little bit more of digging down, so that I can actually bring you guys some good information when it comes to NFTs, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and then I will see you on the next one. This is a ciao.